Hello, my dear friends. I am Asanka here again. I am trying to send you this message. There was a little bit drop down in tourism in Sri Lanka, especially around Kandy, where I have belong. Environment is so cool, and now you can visit safe and enjoy your time. And this is a new place that I want to introduce you. Experience with safe camping, because there are few cabanas also. You can see there is a cabana over there all around the area. So there are, it's very nice views, nice waterfalls, nice village experience. There are so many things around this place, and this place is situated in Kandy's Theldeniya hill. You can visit this area, and I invite you and your friends, if the people who love to visit in Sri Lanka for your next vacation. Maybe this will be the coolest place that you can ever enjoy. And this is one of a cabana that you can stay here, and you can see there is a very wonderful view all around the area. It's very nice, clean, and safe. Uh, on my, you can see there is a mountain that you can go hiking, and only wind, and there is a sound from the waterfall. Local food, nice village people, very calm, quiet, eco-friendly. If you want to stay a night at that cabana, or you can stay a night with camping tents, you can send your friends to Sri Lanka. So I can give you my experience, my knowledge I can share with you. And here I am now in the, again came to the base place. This is the base camp. It is actually a very old, ancient, more than 100 years ago. This was a family house of Mr. Veerasekara, who is the owner, present owner in this camping site. The previously I was on the cabana where is the base camp, and now we are going to through the forest walking path, and there is Mr. Veerasekara. He is the place owner. So this is actually very quiet, very safe site for your family vacation, and for if you are doing camping with your kids, and if you are looking for some camping site with safe, and this is ideal place. It is very quiet and very clean and very well maintained. If you are staying in Kandy around 2-3 days, you can stay one night here, and this is a wonderful experience. This is an untouched location that you can get true nature experience, totally untouched with other people. So come to this place, my dear friends, and contact me or Mr. Veerasekara. I will give you the contact details of our website. Thank you.